Hello! Furnishing a small apartment isn't easy, but here are some ideas to help you out. Discover vacuum bags that will save space in your closet, a fantastic and modern folding table, a practical raised bed, a secret storage unit, and an incredible home elevator. So sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. Furniture plays a key role in saving space in small apartments. Having a table is essential, but even more so if the table gains you a few extra square meters. There's going to be times when you'll need extra space at the table for guests. Well, with this table, it's no problem. It's got 3 sections that can extend like this. With this piece of furniture, you have 3 in 1: dining table, coffee table, and sofa laptop table. It's an essential piece for small spaces. If you have stairs in your house, this is the best way to save space. With its beautiful design, you can store whatever you want with this perfect mini warehouse. Divided into 3 sections, this piece of furniture stores shoes, clothes, bags, and personal belongings. Just by pulling out the door, you can access the interior to pick up or store items. No one will notice that this piece of furniture is under your stairs. This idea is great for those looking to save space with a beautiful piece of furniture. Are you looking for the best wooden bed to save space in your small house? Well, this one is perfect for any couple. This bed goes beyond saving space. Its height is adjustable at the touch of a button, leaving an open area under the bed when raised. This makes it an ideal loft for living spaces without high ceilings. The columns extend from the floor to the ceiling, making it possible to place the bed anywhere in your room. If you need an elevator in your house, the best solution is to install one like this. It takes up little space and its modern design matches any home decor. It's perfect for people who have limited mobility. This home lift takes up less space as it can be easily installed without a shaft. Unlike other elevators, it utilizes every inch of space efficiently. In a small house, it'd be great to have one like this, don't you think? In small rooms, it's so important to save closet space, so these vacuum bags are a must-have for your household. Using these bags is so simple. All you do is put your clothes inside and suck the air out. In just a few seconds, you're done. It's amazing to see the before and after. This tool saves major space and leaves extra room for more storage. It's fantastic. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe, click like, activate notifications, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos.